What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to try something I've never done before. I was actually going to wait to do this when I kick off the Fit Build series, but I figured since I don't really have much content to produce because I'm waiting for more stuff to come, bro, this whole Honda Fit Build series that I'm doing, it should be awesome, man. Hopefully I can have somebody else like film me while I do the installs and stuff so I can have production value go up, but if not, then I'll just do what I can do by myself. But all in all, today's video, we are going to be cleaning up the front end of the Fit. And by cleaning up the front end, I'm talking about them dingy ass headlights. This is my 2011 Honda Fit Sport. Got that nice little sport headlights, but as you guys can see, they are cloudy, man. These things are cloudy, and I was talking to the homie Mark about buying some new ones because he bought some new ones. I saw the price of new ones and I was like, fuck no. So that wasn't enough. But what I did do, I went out, I picked up some supplies, some compounds, some polishing, some sandpaper, half the cost of buying brand new headlights, and I can use it for my car, or if my mom's car headlights get bad, or if I need to polish out the car, which I'm actually going to do further in the Fit Build series stuff. But for today's application, we are going to be cleaning up these headlights, bro, because this is not it, brother. These things are beat. So we're gonna see what we can do about that, playboy. Now, there's a couple different ways on how we can get this headlight to be restored. You have the headlight restore kits, or you have the DIY kits. You get sandpaper, some compound, some polish, and then put some wax to like seal it. But I'm gonna do it the way that I think is gonna be best and give me the best results that I can possibly ask for, and that's gonna be sandpaper and using a 2K clear. Those are two items we're gonna use in today's video to restore the headlights. And let's do it. When it comes to the clear process, when it comes to clearing out the headlight, I think what I'm going to do is either remove the headlight or just mask everything around it so I don't have any overspray on the fenders or the bumper or anywhere else I decide to spray. Either they're filming Stranger Things 5 or there's a goddamn hurricane on the way. So, with that being said, we won't be able to do what I wanted to do with the removal of the headlights and sanding and painting. So what I'm gonna do...
A few moments later.
Yep, there goes my video for today. You know, living in Florida is awesome because you have amazing things like this. It's just great, bro. All right, we have some sunlight, which means we can finally get this whole resto of the headlight situation majig done. Front bumper is finally off. Now we have the headlight to do. So I think what I'm gonna do, honestly, I think I'm gonna sand everything while it's on the headlight so I have something to like brace when I'm sanding. And then when I'm tying the clear coat, I'm gonna remove the headlight, prop them on my little paint table, and then just hit them with some clear. But yeah, I want you guys to see the haziness in this headlight, bro. Like, it's insane. This thing is like beat, and I don't want to spend the $300 on some new headlights, bro. That ain't happening, fam. Fuck no. So we're gonna do what we gotta do to make these come back to life. Get rid of that pissy yellow and make it look good, playboy. Make it look good. All right, so step one, we're gonna use some Formula 88 cleaner and degreaser. You can use any type of degreaser, honestly. This just helps. So like when you're starting the sanding process, nothing gets stuck on it because you have debris on your headlight. And like with paint, you always wanna prep. Prep is like 80% of the job. So you wanna go ahead and just, so make sure you start prepping that junk. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Do one headlight at a time. Bro, you can see how dirty it's getting. You can see the filth, bruh. Ugh. Yuck. So now it's time to sand. Now I got some 800 grit, where you guys can't even see it, but I got some 800 grit sandpaper, and you could either sand it like flat sand, or you can sand with water. You can do some wet sanding, or you can just do regular sand. I got some soap water. Glass cleaner, that's all you need. Clean this up. It's gonna look hella hazy which is a good thing. You want it to look. I'm gonna hit it now with some 1000 grit sandpaper. So as you can see, I'm just using sandpaper without water, just so I can see what I'm doing. You necessarily don't have to use water. Sandpaper grit depends on how bad your headlights is. So the coarser the grit, as in like 320, 400, the more you're gonna take off the clear, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but you don't wanna overdo it. You get what I'm saying? So just kind of gauge what you think you would need. This is with the so this is where we currently stand, and we didn't even start on this side yet. It's sanded really smooth, but it looks like a lot of scratches. That's a good thing, because once I lay down the clear, it's gonna stick perfectly. There's not gonna be no runs. It's gonna look freaking like, bruh, it's gonna look amazing. So we got the headlight removed. Here is the passenger side headlight, nice and hazy how we want it. So when that clear lays, it's gonna be beautiful. Here is the driver side, nice and hazy how we want it, so that clear can lay beautiful. Now you wanna use a tack rag before you start spraying the clear. I don't have a tack rag. Only thing I have is this microfiber that's brand new. You never wanna use the same microfiber when you're doing your sanding and stuff, so you want to use like a total of like 3 microfibers, or maybe 2, depending on whatever. Your choice, bruh. Now we're ready to lay down some clear. I'm scared. This is the clear that I'm using. You can use that one that you see that every YouTuber uses, but I honestly believe that the Kimberly 2K Clear Glamour is the best. And this is actually made in Germany. And if you know about German vehicles, and you know their paint jobs is mother loving icy. You feel me? So this is what I'm using. You always want to use like a 2K clear, like a 2-part system where you have the hardener or activator at the bottom, whatever you want to call it. I'm not a painter, I don't know. But you want this right here. If they don't have the nozzle on the back where you got to push that John through, don't get it. Get this clear. This is the best clear, all right? So first coat, light coat, second coat, medium coat, third coat would be like the heavy coat, but you want your first coat to be light, all right? I went ahead and did a total of 3 coats. Wait time 5 minutes between each coat. All right, so that was my second coat. It's gonna look hazy, but once the clear coat actually adheres to it, it's gonna clear up really soon. The reason why hazy is because it's in the aerosol can, but I mean, fuck. Dude, this looks great. Dude, that looks money. I had to lower the ISO, exposure, because it's hella hot outside. That is insane. But it's still hazy though, like it's hella hazy. I'm gonna let it clear, wait another 5-6 minutes, throw a third coat on there, and then yeah, we'll see how it really clears up. But on camera it looks pretty good, right? Damn. I just saved myself 150 bucks. Ow! All right, so I hit it with the third and final coat. This is it. I gotta let it clear up. It's still a little bit hazy. I just sprayed it. I should have filmed it. While we have the bumper off, might as well take off the grill and hit it with some fresh can of some matte black paint. I felt a few raindrops, and now it's about to rain. But go ahead and hit this with some flat black. I use some Rust-Oleum flat black right there to give it like an OEM look. It never fails. Y'all see that, man? You see that? Rain, bro. Never fails, dude. My little grill got caught in some fire, but hopefully it'll just come right off. That flat black looks actually really good. I don't like the flat black. Looks good, bro. Looks good. All right, so a couple hours passed, on and off raining. It's not much sunlight outside, but check out the headlights. They cleaned up really good. Now I can leave it like this because it's really not that bad. It looks better than what it was before. It's actually protected now. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it cure for another like 12 hours. So by what, 2, maybe 12 o'clock tomorrow? I don't know, sometime tomorrow, I'm gonna do the process of wet sanding it. Beautiful day today. I'm sure it's probably gonna rain, but right now it is beautiful. And here's the headlights. So it cured for, I started around like 2 o'clock. It's now 12, so 20 something hours cure time, something like that. So, well, 18 hours, whatever, who cares? I don't know if you guys can see, but there are a little bit orange peely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet sand it, probably use like a 1500 grit wet sand, then I'm gonna polish it out. So I'm gonna wet sand it, compound and polish, seal it off with some wax to give it an extra nice little extra UV protection. So I tried buffing it by hand, but it really makes more sense to use like a dual action polisher or the Milwaukee polisher or something where you can polish it, because the heat is what's gonna make it really shine. Doing it by hand, it's not the best. So after using my polisher, these are my headlights. I saved myself $250, bro. This looks really damn good. Unfortunately for this headlight, I kind of burned through it a little bit right here. So I didn't know. That was my first time actually using like a dual action polisher. And right here, I guess you can see it right there, I burned through with the clear coat. So I can sand that smooth. I might just do that. I might just sand it and repolish it out, but yeah, I kind of went a little too much right there. I think I'm just gonna sand it and try to bring it back to life. Am I a detailer? So I just used my, what I use, 1200 grit sandpaper, and I buffed it out. Damn, look at me learning how to use a dual action polisher. Look at that, bro. So yeah, headlights are done. Now I can wrap up this video and then get focused on that, because we have a whole bunch of hybrid parts for that. I'm gonna put everything back on the car and then give you guys some nice cinematics before and afters. But yeah, bro, all for under 30 bucks. But unless you want to buy a dual action polisher, I have a link down to Amazon where I got that one. It's on sale right now for like 80, 70 bucks, something like that. So under what, $100, give or take, you could have fresh headlights. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Car is all back together. I'm a little overexposed. What else is new? But yeah, that's it, brother. Freshly painted grill, fresh headlights. I didn't do the wax yet. I'll probably do it when I'm done here in a few. But yeah, that's it. And I got shit in the yard, as always. This is what my girlfriend don't like me sometimes, because I just be fucking up the place. But I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. Follow this advice in this video if you choose to. I mean, my results are phenomenal. I'm very happy knowing that I did it myself and learned how to use a dual action polisher myself, even though I kind of burned through because it's plastic, and you know, you don't want to, you know, give it too much effort. You want to let it glide. You don't want to. I should have probably watched more YouTube videos, but it came out great. I'm happy. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one tomorrow, maybe Saturday. Daily uploads. I don't know. I gotta get this car back on the road. I don't know. We'll see. But that is all. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out, man. Peace.